Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to turn off the play tone when a call ends on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Phone app. This is the app you use to make calls, and you can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Phone app, look to the top right corner for the three-dot icon. Tap on it to open a menu with more options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, scroll until you see the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed to your call settings. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, scroll through and find the Call Alerts and Ringtone option. Tap on it to open the related settings. Step 5. Now in this section, look for the Play Tone When Call Ends option. This setting is currently enabled. To turn off the tone, simply tap on it to disable the feature. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the play tone when a call ends on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.